ara wa wí constructively ni. How do you want to achieve what you want to achieve? Ẹni tó máa ń gbàgbà jù mọ̀ràn àti ẹni tí ò ń gbà jù rárá òun ló máa ń ṣe mistake o, and we don't want anything to happen to this DNA. Ẹ ṣé gan for giving me this opportunity to make my submission. Ẹ ṣé o.
Error with the family now or not, they will still demand for it, because if all fingers are pointing at this evil girl, if all fingers are pointing at her, if Magistrate Shotobi, whatever she come up with, pointing to the woman, don't let me deceive you. They will still run the DNA. So do you think they will not say, because they have done it on the family base, they will run a new one? One run new one. Family not finish DNA. One need the Mohbad. And somebody, and if need be, they will take one. Take a sample. And that is why even the government going to be when you're consequently Easter Sunday that they should go and bury Mohbad's body. Kilo seal voice in one, kilo pa voice in one more. Kilo pa voice in one more. Government to teach it up on the body. If government is basheton, they will give one signal si baba omo. So kilo she wa gan ta konju. Me, emi o konju ti temi o, because mo want it to dem loju. O da mi loju gbagba ni. Either Sherry, family will be family. And we cannot dictate for their family how they are going to run their family. Ẹni tó gbé power of Antonia fún, tó bá feel pé he has done right, because tó bá yẹ pé wọ́n ní kó tó ṣẹ́gi nígbó fi ọ̀rọ̀ rú rẹ̀ wò. If it had to be him ni ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣẹ́kún sí, will you allow somebody to calling himself Odumosu Oshi to bastardize this thing for you? Will you work with everybody? If by the time you hear people saying, I don't have enemy, everybody is my friend. You should have enemy. Everybody is not your friend. Now, Asanwo autopsy, and because I could remember that day, I was the lady that raised it, that since we are paying for our own, let Berekete that says he's volunteer to do his own. Let him take his skill. What will it take you? Take 2 samples. Give the Berekete, let him go and run his own. I've forgotten the response they gave that time. That was my own submission during that time. We have paid for our own. We are paying for our own. Berekete is giving us free this thing. Let Berekete run his own. At least we have 2 results. If one is bastard, another one will be okay. And this time around concerning DNA, the same thing, we go for it. Mr. Muyiwa, we are having our people on ground. As you are taking your sample, we will take our own sample.
I go with you. We
will run it. It's none of that is. And I believe Sanshitu will go with us. Torí Sanshitu gan kò believe. Kò lè believe process ti yín. And mind you, you cannot continue to torpedo the brain of Sanshitu the way you and Odumosu. Tejon run, tejon le glove mọ́ra yín. And if you think there is anything they've been using to sabotage you, cry out for people. We are bound to make mistake. Ẹni tó bá ti fi nǹkan sabotage effort yàn, ẹjọ́ kan ló máa níyì mọ́, àfipìlà pé ọjọ́ kan, èébú àlọ́ town tàbọ̀ máa di àná ẹ̀. Cry out for help. And that is what I've been saying to people. Àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ti hold hostage because they have collected money from these people. Because you have made some of them your boyfriend, your man friend, your girlfriend. They are using that to, to pin you down. That you should be speaking against the justice. Cry out for help. People are there. People are here to help you. People are here to help you. Don't die in silence. That is my own this thing for me. To me, Sherry, is if I want to sideline you, I will sideline you. In your opinion, instinct to me, don't direct me. Instinct to me, don't fool me, don't come in. I don't buy this thing from anybody. Although that is why we've got brain. All of one brain. Mo come illustration kan níjọ́ yẹn. Mo ní Ọlọ́run dá ẹyẹ tó ń fò. Who created the aeroplane? Ṣọ́lọ́run ló dá aeroplane ni. And that is what I used to, encourage and advise our pregnant women when I was still back at home. When we give them, okay, we are going to perform the cesarean section on you. When they say, hey, Ọlọ́run, you come for baby me. Ọlọ́run, you come for baby me. And I will give them the illustration. So, to me, òyìnbó tó ṣe pẹ́ńsù òun ló ṣe rẹ́sà ẹ jẹ́ kó ní kẹ́rí ẹ bá ti ń pariwo. Somebody said it yesterday that this is what we will continue to say or to do, that we will not allow other where we can run this thing abroad. We have people here who can assist us at every level. So why are we disturbing ourselves? Mr. Muyiwa we further put himself into trouble. Tó bá ti gbẹ̀yìn bọ́bọ́ judges tó bá sọ pé òun ló fẹ́ lọ máa decide kó jẹ́ lọ máa decide at their family level. This time around, we are not going to sit back and look at these people. Come by a good procedure. That's my own little advice. And I believe we have people that will support it. At least the BJ called somebody from a particular lab in UK that day. I don't know the lab. We don't need to talk out. Look at the way the man walked out. Look at the way Sanchitu walked out. All this thing within these last 2 weeks, and look at the results. Until when it needed, let me tell you something. Give and take. Federal government won't understand. Tinubu understand it. Sanchitu maga gọrùn àwọn. Because Omobita did continue go move for are. Sanchitu being EFCC lawyer. Any counties against around. Okay, do this for me and I will do this. I want to get this done. I will tell you, they know how they go about all these things. They know it. And if they want to do, they will do. So please, let's focus. Let's be focused. Let's discuss critically. Baba ti sọ oríṣiríṣi nǹkan sílẹ̀ báyìí. DPP ti give submission tí wọ́n. Baba ti petition DPP, wọ́n ti petition Lagos State, wọ́n ti petition Attorney General of Lagos. So what do we need to discuss about all this critically? Let those people to fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ DNA, let them continue to do that on the ground. Àwa là ń fún àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ní kinní, àwa là ń fún wọn ní relevancy. If we continue to shout, if these people, if Baba still say he wants to involve his family, fine. I've said it. Orúkọ tá à ń sọ ọmọ ẹni inú ẹni ló ń gbé. Kerry, if that's why they didn't allow Brekete. That's why they wanted to get the money from Brekete. It's not as if they really need the money. They don't want the man to run his own test because they know if the man should run his own autopsy and toxicology, it will be differ from them. And that was the reason they didn't want it to come to reality. This time around, individual got to buy DNA Mohbad at if 100 people wants to do, let them continue to do it. so that they will know that if you want to rig this result, like election result, you want to rig it, you will know that so many people want to know or correct result lower. You cannot rig everything. Because me, I don't know why the DNA is so attached and important to some people. Somebody I knew on this platform, his own cry then was, Baba, good or someone yell, Tabati someone yell, DNA won't, DNA. Is this particular person? Look by microphone, sorry, Mohbad, everything, Mohbad. So what changes the subject of the matter? You don't change the subject of the matter. You don't change it. So, my brothers and sisters, Bikule Obati Pani today o kin pààyàn. This is where Mr. Muyiwa, these are the platform to yẹ kán ti máa rí wọn. Because this is where you can get knowledge. This is where you can become wise. This is where I'm a street wise. Only difficult elema be street. But we have some people who say street in one street in nothing down and street not show and they are here. One make key 2 ends meet through fraudulent way. They made it in a clean way. In a clean way. So by the time there's often me pé tẹ́ bá lu ọpọlọ yín pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Mr. Ishaq Bibi, you ní rọ́gbọ́n kan àbí méjì kọ́. There's often me pé tẹ́ bá lu ọpọlọ yín pọ̀ pẹ̀lú Mr. Tazan bí ní rọ́gbọ́n kan àbí méjì kọ́. You can't tell me when you miss your brain, your intellectuals with good women on this platform, you won't learn one or two things. Ṣùgbọ́n ibi tó ti ṣe pé àwọn fáǹsì mi. That's all they know. That's where you like to go. Àwọn QH radio, àwọn tí ò lọ́pọlọ kankan. Dakwada. God will help us. Tí mo bá ṣe rántí, we will continue to say it. Thank God wípé bàbá gan ìsinmi kan ojú yẹn lọ, bàbá lọ fún research ni, bàbá dẹ̀ ti dé láti research. So ìsinmi kan ojú yẹn lọ. Mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé even you don't need to be aware of everything. And that is why you don't like the kind of person Sanshitu is, because he is not the kind of person that will carry. He's a professional. He will do things, he will do things according to his professional rules and regulations. It's not Odumosu. This one, he understands the music and he understands the kind of tune to play along with the music. So you go on research one the God bless us. We will continue to encourage ourselves. My own is calm down. Everybody, let's calm ourselves down. Let's work critically behind the closed door. How we are going to get this thing done. That is my only advice. Coming to this thing to be shouting it won't help us. Let's discuss about fún wa lóríṣiríṣi nǹkan láti discuss títí da June. Tí wọ́n fi conclude the inquest. We have enough. So how is the current inquest is going to upturn what the DPP, the advice the DPP have given? They wanted to go to High Court. How are we going to, merge the two things together? Those are the things we are supposed to be discussing. Though we our call that job, but at the same time, we can continue to, parabolate, discussing. ṣé wọ́n mọ̀ gan bóyá lára àwọn major kìíní wọn tí wọ́n kò yẹn maybe they are part of the best instrument ẹgbàá tí Sanchitu máa fi nà wọ́n lẹ́gbàá lókè lọ. ẹ wo let's continue a ní láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ èmi brain tèmi ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ àdè máa ń connect dot ni I connect the dot to get to source for I don't call anybody for any update for any information whatever you hear me say mi fúnra mi ni mò ń rò nínú ọpọlọ tèmi ni tó bá jẹ lọ fine bí ó bá dẹ̀ jẹ lọ I delete it kò jù yẹn lọ but nínú ọpọlọ mi mo máa ń jẹ́ kọ́pọlọ mi kó ní ìsinmi thank you very much let me mute my mic for now and let another person speak so that we learn from each other.
Thank you.
From one another. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Bibika. Thank you. I want to ask one thing. New. Mommy Bosumbola, thank you for your submission. Mo like it. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yín. Orí mi ti wálẹ̀. Ẹ má gbàgbé mi o. Torí Mohbad lèmi ni mo fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí o àti bàbá Mohbad kò ń ṣe nítorí fámílì Alọ́ba o. Bàbá Mohbad àti àwọn méjì bẹ́ẹ̀ ni fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí. Ìkọ́ mo rí gbogbo ìyà tí bàbá yẹn jẹ ni mo fi ń ṣe gbogbo eléyìí and I will never step down. Oh, I don't care about Muyiwa but yín tẹ́yìn sọ yìí ẹ jẹ́ kọ́kàn mi balẹ̀ díẹ̀. Torí Muyiwa yìí ẹ má bínú o mo ní jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ àgbàlagbé ìṣọmọdé. Àwa Yorùbá la máa ní báyìí àwa náà la máa tún ní pẹ́ńsù àwa la tún máa ní ìrèsà tá a máa fi parẹ́. Gbogbo mo máa ń jàjà nǹkan tó dùn mí pé kí ló dé tí mo jà fún máyì máa jà fún bàbá Mohbad máa jà fún Gúrẹ́sì mi ò rí Gúrẹ́sì rí mi ò ní nọ́mbà Mr. Gúrẹ́sì mi ò tiẹ̀ tí ì bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bá Mr. Gúrẹ́sì sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa lórí platform ni máa jà pàtàkì tó fọ́ tó ti jẹ́ pé àwọn lọ́wọ́ Nàìjíríà tó dúró fún bàbá Mohbad yìí mo máa ń gbèjà kò síbi tó ti lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lọ bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ the music ọmọ bọ́ọ̀yì ẹnjìníà tó máa ń fi kéwú korúkọ yẹn ẹ ṣe kinní kan yẹn a ní ẹwà ṣé ẹ̀gbọ́n yín ni Mr. Gúrẹ́sì nítorí kò yóhùn mo ní ẹ lè bú Mr. Gúrẹ́sì bí ẹ bá mi gbé evidence nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ yìí bí ṣe máa wọ́n yín mọ́ wọn nìyẹn the same thing this Mr. Muyiwa so Mr. Muyiwa èmi ò kò sí tó kàn mí o wọn bá forí wọn fágbọn kò sí tó kàn èmi because èmi ò lè protect èèyàn kan ó dà pé gẹ́tì bí Mr. Muyiwa ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣá Dangote gan gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ bó ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ẹ jọ èmi gan alára lèmi náà Mohbad ló sọ gbogbo wa di lẹ́gùlà alára lèmi náà mo bí Mr. Muyiwa ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣá very irritating.
Ó tiẹ̀ jọrọ ẹ̀ lójú ó jọrọ ẹ̀ lójú jù ó jọrọ ẹ̀ lójú ó very annoying jọrọ ẹ̀ lójú kò ní jẹ́ kó sọ̀rọ̀.
ẹ jẹ́ àgbàgbé owó ẹ jẹ́ àgbàgbé pé mo family ẹ wá ní ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ má ti mọ̀ pé máa sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọ́n wá ń béèrè àwọn question tó jẹ́ pé the whole àwọn public ti nu etí wọn. That's Mr. Muyiwa were responsible láti hold anywhere. I'm telling you, wọn were capable láti hold anything. The only thing that Mr. Muyiwa is to control. Kí ni control láàyè ló wà lọ́wọ́ wọn. And they cannot control.
Ta ló fẹ́ máa control?
Ẹni sùúrù mà.
Wàá fẹ́ rẹ̀ síbi tó wù ẹ́ bá wà nìyà wọ́n kò lè ra tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì wá sí kinní.
Ẹni sùúrù mà wàhálà tí wọ́n nìyẹn. Nítorí wọ́n gbé ọ̀pá fún wọn wọ́n wá rò pé ẹbí pé kọ́ máa wá máa bẹ̀ wọ́n lórí and this you are saying that ẹ wo bí mo bí tẹ lè gbé Mr. Muyiwa sí o no Mr. Muyiwa àwọn gan disrespect the public ẹ gbàgbé ẹ má jà fi àbòsí sí wọ́n disrespect èèyàn kékeré ni o àgbà ni o Mr. Muyiwa disrespect èèyàn. Mr. Muyiwa go ní respect to fẹ́yàn ẹ jẹ́ àsọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wa wọ́n ṣe ń down question ẹ jẹ́ mute man wọ́n ṣe ń down question yẹn gbogbo wa la gbọ́ náà ń de like question tí vengeance ò tún fàájà o ó ń béèrè question ni ẹ̀yin délé máa sọ fún bàbá Mohbad pé pathologist wọ́n ní wọn àwọn tìtọ́ bá dé court ọ̀ dẹ̀ kọ́ sí CTC. They sọ fún the whole world because the whole world ní kéèsì Mohbad.
ìyẹn ló dùn mí jù mà.
Ego, ẹ mọ̀ pé mi bẹ̀yàn kan sọ̀rọ̀ mi o. And Mr. Muiwa ti ń send the update fáwọn host. Àwọn host bíi láti torí mo gbọ́ ń sìn. Ó ní Mr. Muiwa send àwọn update kan sóhun ní àná. Torí ọmọ pa wọn bọ̀ ń ta. Ṣé ti rí how sneaky ẹjọ́. Ó lè ti send sáwọn Daddy York omi o. But ṣé Mr. Muiwa fẹ́ sọ fún mi pé láti ó lè nǹkan bẹ lábẹ́ ọ̀run ẹ jẹ́ n tún jókòó mi jókòó dáadáa nǹkan bẹ lábẹ́ ọ̀run.
ìtura náà lọ ti sọ pé I can work with anybody, I can work with everybody. Ẹ ti rí wọ́ọ̀sì yẹn.
nǹkan bẹ lábẹ́ ọ̀run for me o. bàbá ṣe gbé wá ni máa ṣe mú fún wọn torí wọn respect anybody, wọn care bí who are you, who are they, tọ́fẹ́ máa who are they, but ẹ̀yin lè jọ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ lábẹ́ olè ènìyàn ṣòro. ẹ̀yin lè jọ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ lábẹ́ ènìyàn ṣòro lè máa control brain yín, ó lè máa kíkà bọ́ brain tí, but àwọn tó ń wá dáadáa fún ẹni tó ẹ pè ní ẹ̀gbọ́n yín cousin yín ṣàní bàbá Mohbad àbí cousin ẹ̀yin méjèèjì tẹ́ pè ní ṣé uncle náà ni àbí bóyá uncle bóyá nǹkan bíi méjì náà lè máa mú nú ẹ kí à ń pa ẹ àwa gan là ń fojú fíná tọ́ba níyàn fojú fíná mọ́mí kíní 12 o'clock lọ́lọ́sùn nílùú wọn mọ́mí coach wọ́n tún ti wà lórí platform 12 o'clock orun yẹn ti gbé wọn lọ lọ́ọ̀yà jábọ́lẹ̀ wọ́n tún ti padà wá kí ló dé lẹ́yìn iṣẹ́ wa the second job wa lélẹ̀ but àwọn òṣì ṣọ́ọ̀bù níta mú ìwà mọ̀rọ̀ sọ mọ̀ bọ́ ṣe address èèyàn bọ́ ṣe address public no you don't care you don't care so nobody tó máa sọ fún mi pé kémi kí à ń pa Mr. Muiwa ò mọ̀ bọ́ ṣe ń address èèyàn wọ́n ní ẹni everybody at this stage we are. Is that what you are telling me? At this stage táwa yìí ni everybody àti Jókèmù náà àbí ṣáwọn tán láwọn ò fẹ́ DNA ní orí platform láti wọn fẹ́ DNA ṣé àwọn tẹ́ máa bá sọ̀rọ̀ DNA náà nìyẹn ó dà pé Mr. Muiwa jẹ́ kémi là mọ́lẹ̀ èmi ni oyè tí 70 ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ó dà pé inú yóò dùn sáwọn critical thinkers yes mo sọ ni mi kò jẹ mo ti sọ ó ti fọ́ yánkányánká yes ó dà pé inú yóò dùn sí wọn ó dà pé ìròyìn pé wọ́n fẹ́ gbaṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹjọ́ iṣẹ́ wo iṣẹ́ tó pọ̀ ọmọ yín lójú ó yá kẹ́tì ẹ̀ má ṣe fíringa lórí òkú ọmọ 26 tẹ́yìn gan lè bì wàláì tàláì tààràtà bá ń ṣe fíringa wọn ò mọ Mohbad Mr. Muiwa ẹ lọ tún wà yín ìwà yín ò ṣe kinní fèmí nothing to èmi náà mi 100% o mo ní lára o mo ní ṣùgbọ́n but family mi mà láwọn gbogbo di owó di ń jà fún family mi mo máa ṣe díẹ̀ fún wọn ni wàláì tàláì ìyín tí n bá dẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé kinní mi rò pọ́nmọ Èkìtì bóyá mother side lẹ ti tán mi rò pé dáàdi yóò ṣe Èkìtì wọ Èkìtì wọ́n tún sọ pé ṣẹ̀ṣì fẹ́ go no mi lè má go ahead mo lè step back kí n máa wò or kí n support irú èmi tó bí ti pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó já pátápátá mọ́lẹ̀ yìí nǹkan kan wà ń di ẹ̀ mọ́mí Bọ̀súnbọ́lá everybody náà lè ṣe paternity Liam Lawal fọ́kàn náà ìfún ni a máa kọ bẹ́bọ̀ ni a máa jọ máa gé bó ṣe wà nìyẹn ibi tá lè fọkàn wá balẹ̀. ó dà pé ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń àgbàlagbà you are over 40 wọ́n ń béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́yẹn lọ́wọ́ yín ó dà pé so it's like you don't care about this case bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rí yín nìyẹn you don't care about this case Ọlọ́run kò sí àǹtáwọn èèyàn bá ní kọ́ máa sọ̀rọ̀ Mr. Muiwa ṣé ká máa wá bú olè ènìyàn ṣòro Táíwò Dùmọ̀sù barrister fake tẹ́lẹ̀ mi á pè lólè olè nìyẹn mo rí kinní yẹn lọ́dọ̀ mọ́mi Dẹ́tọ́lá jọ bí iṣẹ́ tí mo wà mí tiẹ̀ because network mi kàn ṣe yamayama orí mi wó yáyáyá ni. Kò sí bá ṣe lè pé ó lè ènìyàn ṣòro barrister fake. Táíwò Dùmọ̀sù. Tá ní pé ẹni tó gbé power of Anthony lé lọ́wọ́. Òun ló fún láṣẹ tó fi lọ sọ́dọ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀. Kẹ̀tẹ̀. Mr. Muiwa lè sọ fáwọn ọmọ kankan pẹ̀. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ mo ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbé sára ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ síta. Sọ yín lẹ́ ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fún kó lè kó wọnú ilé ẹ̀gbọ́n yín. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́ ń ṣílẹ̀kùn fún lè kó wọnú ilé ẹ̀gbọ́n yín. Ṣé dadi Ishaq ló sọ? Inú mi ní step back fún bàbá Mohbad. Mo máa wá tẹ bó ṣe ń gbẹ́sẹ̀ kan mọ́ ẹsẹ̀ kejì ń tẹ̀lé wọn lẹ́yìn ni. Ẹ ṣe kọ́ tẹ́ máa ṣe o. Ẹ dáwọ́ bò ó, ẹ gbàgbọ́ dé. Ẹ̀yin rẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ló ń wò wá lókè. Ṣùgbọ́n mi ní fi bàbá Mohbad lẹ̀. Ẹ rò pa nǹkan tó fẹ́ ṣe nìyẹn pé ká fi bàbá Mohbad lẹ̀. A máa pọ̀ sí àtúmọ̀ multiply la máa jẹ́ àní fi bàbá Mohbad lẹ̀. Tó bá jẹ́ géèmù tẹ́ fẹ́ gbé wá nìyí. Wo nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe ni the whole world Ghana ń wo bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ àwọn European country ń wo bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ America, Canada, all these African country ló ń bẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀tẹ̀ kó wá sí rédíò kìíní sí ìlú àwọn odindi olè fake barrister ènìyàn ṣòro Táíwò Dùmọ̀sù ẹ̀dẹ̀ mú kọ́kọ́rọ́ fún kó ṣílẹ̀kùn wọlé ẹ̀gbọ́n yín. Ẹjọ́ báwo ni ọ̀rẹ́ bàbá best friend bàbá ni máa ń pe woman yẹn bóyá man ni bóyá woman Ìbùkún báwo ni àwọn yìí wo Mr. Muiwa jọjọ tí máa tọwọ́ bá àwọn ibìkan èèyàn kan lè dé mí lẹ́nu nítorí mi ṣe ọmọdé èèyàn kan kò lè dé mí lẹ́nu nítorí mi ṣe ọmọdé. Fine, Mr. Muiwa is a Baba's family, but I will protect that man the way be Mr. Muiwa ṣe ń ṣe. Mo lè má. Hold on.
Mami Yeti, ẹ jẹ́ kí n bá ẹ sọ lé nǹkan díẹ̀ tẹ́ sọ yẹn. Ṣé mo pé Mr. Muiwa wọ́n discredit ṣé mo pé Bọ̀dá Muiwa dẹ̀ rọ́bìṣì ọ̀rọ̀ tí Bukky sọ. Kò pa irọ́ fún public. Ṣó fẹ́ gbowó ń bẹ̀ ni? Àbó fẹ́ jẹun bẹ̀. So Bọ̀dá Muiwa mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn pé Bọ̀dá Muiwa ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. Wọ́n ti jẹ dòdò. Ẹnu wọn ò gbọ́ dòdò.
Nǹkan kan náà ni a ṣe ń sọ. Mo sọ fún yín pé ṣe bí Bukky Jesse lè ṣe sọ àwọn critical thinkers tó ná owó wọn mo mọ̀ pé Bukky náà náwó ẹ̀ síbi kan but à ń rí àwọn kinní táwọn yẹn ń ṣe tó ń gbé jáde. Mo ṣe àti sọ mo nígbà pé wọn láìkí wọn wọn pretend ni náà come on ìjà sọ̀rọ̀ síbi tọ́rọ̀ wà. Èèyàn máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn mi ni máa rá bàbá pé ẹ̀yin bàbá mi iṣẹ́ wọn iṣẹ́ Mr. Muiwa làwọn people yẹn ṣe. Yes, Mr. Muiwa ló yẹ kó máa lọ from one place to another bí sójà. Wọ́n gbé power of Anthony sí lọ́wọ́ wọn ní kẹfẹ̀yìntì. Wọ́n ní kẹjókòó kẹfẹ̀yìntì. Wọ́n ní kẹ máa jagun lọ ní kẹ máa jagun left and right. Kẹ máa jagun left and right kẹ máa jagun left and right ni. Ẹ wo mi á sọ tọrọ. wọ́n sọ bó ṣe jẹ́ because ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń jábọ́ lẹ́nu wọn ẹni tó bá ní recording ẹ̀ play ẹ̀ náà kò sí good answer kan tí Mr. Muyiwa fún yàn tí kò bá ṣe pé yàn ń wo bàbá yẹn àánú bàbá yẹn kàn ṣe mí lánàá wọ́n ya ó ti rẹ̀ wọ́n pẹ̀lú bó ṣe rẹ̀ wọ́n náà wọ́n ṣe rí pa skin wọ́n ń dán bí aáyán àwọn ọ̀tá àwọn ẹni bí wọ́n ṣe rí pé skin máa yẹn ń dán bí aáyán ó ti rẹ̀ máa yẹn. torí ó dá kí wọ́n lọ sílùú bàbá màmá tó kù fún bàbá ìyá yẹn ní jòsí òun parọ́ kíní yẹn tún ṣẹlẹ̀ lánàá ẹjọ́ nínú gbogbo nǹkan tá a sọ sílẹ̀ lánàá èwo ló fi yí bàbá Mohbad lára nù nothing. bàbá Mohbad ẹ ṣáà máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe ọlọ́run wo gbogbo wa lókè ẹ máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe o ẹ máa ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń ṣe jòsí òun parọ́ kò ṣẹlẹ̀ ni bàbá Mohbad wọ ẹ̀kọ́ àwọn olóṣù wọ ẹ̀kọ́.
ẹ̀sán kankan ni pé ṣé mo pé bàbá lè jẹ́ kápẹ́ńtà o but òun ó ní ọpọlọ sísí wọ́n dẹ̀ wà intelligent wọ́n rí bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe make submissions lánàá yẹn then I wasn't there tí àwọn èèyàn ṣe make submission but wọ́n bá tí mo bá yẹn mood tí mo rí bàbá yẹn I think he will do the needful. He might not come out to announce one or two things but I am mo sense pé something wọ́n máa kóra ṣá
Europe
wọ́n máa kóra.
George Vicky too ṣáàrí ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run èèyàn ò lè gba ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu mi èèyàn ò dẹ̀ lè ní swallow ọ̀rọ̀ okay because this thing nípa ó dà pé mọ implication àwa strong ni àwọn ẹlòmíì ó ti affect ẹlòmíì mentally so don't say that we are repeating à ń rántí I was at work nígbà tí bàbá jáde okay mo nídìí láti pour it out from my chest so I can mentally stable.
Èmi kàn sọ ni pé we have been saying this since yesterday.
Ẹjọ́ máa ma sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jọ ẹ máa sọ bí aṣọ ọmọdé náà ẹjọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ fún mi tó ṣe tó wùwà burúkú.
No, àwọn from that is what I'm saying. Àwọn from àwọn náà ti mọ̀. Bàbá wa lẹ́ẹ̀n àwọn ọmọ náà.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ṣàṣírí kan fún yín.
Ṣé besides DNA tá à ń sọ ìṣe bá Mr. Muyiwa ló fẹ́ lọ ṣe yẹn.
Ẹ gbàgbé àti ẹ̀sọ̀rọ̀ DNA ẹ gbàgbé àwọn kárátà.
Ṣáṣítù ló máa ṣe.
Ẹ gbàgbé DNA sí kárátà là ń sọ. Ẹ lè má pọ̀rọ̀ mọ́yàn lẹ́nu kárátà là ń sọ náà.
No, mi ò ká màá nílẹ̀
ní Samuel máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ kárátà pé ẹ jẹ́ kíyàn sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ lè máa stop ọ̀rọ̀ mọ́yàn lẹ́nu. Nígbà tí mọ̀mí Dẹ́tọ́lá tó sọ̀rọ̀ ni mo sọ̀rọ̀ tán lọ́sọ̀rọ̀ mo mọ̀ pé mi kọ́ ló ń bá wí she just talking neutral but ẹ lè stop àwọn èèyàn kan máa express the feeling wọn it's impossible ó ń affect ẹlòmíì tí kò strong ẹ wo Lady Prada now is it not because of autopsy and toxicology lọ́mọ yẹn step back she like Baba she love Baba but because of this so kírù yẹn wá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ kẹ́ni kó má sọ̀rọ̀ how is she going to feel wọ́n béèrè question lọ́wọ́ Mr. Muyiwa ṣé ẹ gbọ́ answer tó ń fún wọn ni are you okay with that answer ẹ jọ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ní ká move on are you okay with that answer.
Mr. Muyiwa ṣe ẹ lè hold on sí fi sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ni pé ṣe rí gbogbo àtàlọ́ta tí ń sọ kò sẹ́ni tó máa sọ pé òun ò gbọ́ ṣe rí bí a ṣe ń sọ ìgbọ̀n wọn ọ̀gá wa fúnra wa ẹ̀yin fúnra yín gan bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ ẹ̀ ń fi hot àwọn tẹ̀yìn sọ pé ó yẹ kí n sọ ọ́ àwọn gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń sọ ọmọ máa hàn tí wọ́n mọ̀ gbogbo wa láti gbọ́ mo dẹ̀ ti sọ sínú mẹ́rin kan tí mo tà tí Mr. Muyiwa ọ̀bà lẹ́yìn ládùúgbò ọ̀rọ̀ tí mo sọ lánàá yẹn ọmọ àlè ló máa rí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tí òun wò pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn pọ̀ tí everybody gòkè tó sọ lánàá so àwọn náà ti máa lẹ́yìn.
Just Vicky, Mr. Muyiwa is surrounded by àwọn àjẹ́. He needs deliverance.
Ẹ wo èní láti snatch sọ pé Mr. Muyiwa ó ti send àwọn update kan fóun lánàá.
Ẹ ó lè jẹ́ kí ní kí wọ́n sọ lánàá.
Alẹ́ ní sùúrù ó dẹ̀ pé understand. Ẹ máa ń sìkà táwọn èèyàn máa try láti defend èèyàn. Is Mr. Muyiwa want to tell me that láti say is on it just. For mobile.
Una grande amica della mia linea e lei Rocchetta fa bene al mio corpo.
She's making batch Baba. Mr. Muyiwa ò mọ̀ kọ́ tí platform ń wé ẹ la. Neto stand